Google Wallet versus Google Pay. Which one is better? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see which one is better. Well, both of these apps have different functionalities in India and today we will see them. So in Google Pay, you can utilize it for UPI transactions and it is mainly financial. So all the financial transaction needs can be done using UPI using Google Pay. But when it comes to storing different financial items or different items like movie tickets, student ID or boarding passes or loyalty cards, you can store them all on your Google Wallet quite easily. And you can also add your debit card or credit card. You can also make payments on Google Wallet, but the financial payment feature might not be available in all the countries out there. So Google Wallet is for more than financial transactions, whereas on Google Pay you can only make the payments using UPI. So this is the basic distinction between these two apps. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.